Okay, hang on a minute.
অনেক দিতে লাগবে।
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Once again, welcome back to another video. So this is Raihan Ahmed.
রাস্তার অবস্থা
Welcome back on brand new videos regarding practice. Okay, so guys, as I always say, learn English step by step. Speak English with confidence. So guys, you guys are able to see I am somewhere at the road. So the construction is going on. So I come here to practice to speak English. You guys are able to see there is a highway. The construction is going on. So let's have a look. Construction is going on. Bridge construction is going on as well. You guys are able to see. By the way, we are discussing regarding English practice. So every single day we practice speaking English. We have to practice every single day. No need to be worried about or regarding of making mistakes. I don't feel nervous. I don't feel shy of making mistakes because every mistake makes us better. Every mistake is a new opportunity to learn something new. Okay, practice every single day. Mistake every single day, so that you can develop yourself. Practice yourself. Practice speak your surrounding area. Okay, so you will be able to speak English with confidence. So we need confidence. We need to be confident. Nothing else. We have to be confident. No need to be perfect. We need confidence because confidence is more significant than perfection. So we have to practice every single day. So you guys are able to see construction is going on. Sound pollution, noise, huge noise. You guys are able to hear. So I think I should leave now. So construction is going on. We have to leave now. I have to leave now. So enjoy the beauty of the nature. So guys, you guys are able to know. You guys know better. Every single practice class, every single video we discuss or we speak regarding surrounding area. Just hang on a minute. I have to make my camera. I have to set my camera. Okay. Just hang on a minute. Okay. So every single day we practice minimum 30 sentences. We make 30 sentences. Okay. So guys, please practice every single day. Mistakes every single day. For instance, I come here or I go to, okay, he go to mosque today you speak, he go to mosque. Second day you will able to correct your mistakes. You will able to understand what's your weakness, what's your mistakes. So second day you will be able to speak, you will be able to say he goes to mosque. Okay, so this is your strength, this is the way you learn. Okay, so second day is your success. Okay, so day after day, inshallah, you will be able to develop your speaking skill, you will be develop your correct sentence. Okay, you will be able to convert your incorrect sentence into correct sentence. Okay, incorrect to correct sentence. So every single we have to mistake, every single we have to practice. Okay, don't feel shy. Many people, a number of people will laugh or irritate you or disturb you, but there is no way. You will be you have to be confident, you need confidence, you have to practice every single day. There is no way you have no time to care them. Okay, so every single time, every single day you have to be confident, because confidence is more significant than that perfection. Okay, so every single day we have to practice, every single day we have to make many sentences. Okay, there is a natural you make mistakes. Okay, so we have to make mistakes, we have to make correct our mistakes. Okay, so come here, follow me. So no need to be worried about of making mistakes, it's natural. Okay, so day after day we have to hang in there, we have to be confident. Okay, we have to believe ourselves, I believe in myself. Okay, so that we can practice clearly, or we can speak clearly. Okay, we speak slowly but clearly, we speak slowly but surely. Okay, we have to speak slowly but surely, so don't worry about it. Okay, don't worry about of making mistakes. There is a no way of develop your speaking English. Okay, so you guys are able to see I am somewhere at intersection, highway intersection. Okay, so in my background there is a big huge bridge, the construction is going on, you guys already been seen. So guys, so let's make 30 sentences. Okay, so enjoy the beauty of the nature and enjoy the beauty of the greeneries. Okay, so it's time to sunset. Okay, so guys, first sentence. Okay, so every single day you guys are able to know every single sentence, every single video we have 30 sentences. So first sentence, I am walking beside this beautiful river. Okay, there is a river, there is a river. Okay, so there is no way to go there because the construction is going on, so I am not able to go there. Okay, so I am walking beside this beautiful river. I am on a highway road and the weather is really pleasant today. Okay, so you guys are able to see I am on a highway road, the weather is so pleasant, it makes me feel relaxed, cheerful, delightful as well. Okay, So you guys are able to see. So I am on a highway road and the weather is really pleasant today. The river looks beautiful from this side of the road. Number 4, I can see a huge bridge construction. You guys are already been seeing a huge bridge construction is going on. Okay, you guys already been seeing a bridge construction site beside the river. Okay, the bridge is going to be a very important for this area. Of course, this is the very important significant for this area. It can connect people, village, towns and cities. Okay, the bridge, okay, it can connect people, village, towns and cities. So of course this is really important to us. I believe that English speaking becomes easier with regular practice. Okay, of course this is really significant. I am walking slowly and practicing my English at the same time. I believe that English speaking becomes easier with regular practice. I don't need a classroom to practice English. Of course, we don't need classroom to practice English. Okay, we don't need. We need confidence, right? So, sentence number 11. I don't need a classroom to practice English. I can practice English anywhere, even while walking on the road. The river, the highway and the bridge make this place very interesting. I can see vehicles. Okay, I can see vehicles moving along the highway. You guys are able to see there are a number of vehicles in the road. Okay, I can see vehicles moving along the highway. Sentence number 14. The sound of the river and the traffic creates a unique atmosphere, right? The beautiful environment gives me positive energy. Of course it is. Hope you guys are enjoying the beautiful environment, atmosphere. It makes us feel relaxed. So hope you guys are enjoying. So sentence number 16. Every morning or afternoon, evening is a new opportunity to learn something new. Of course, every morning, evening, afternoon, night is a new opportunity to learn something new. Okay, I know I'll make mistake while speaking English. Okay, every single person make mistakes. I am not different. I make mistakes while speaking. Okay, I will make mistakes while speaking English, but I will not be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are natural part of learning. Okay, as I always say, a man who never make a mistake is the man never does anything. Okay, a mistake is the natural part of learning. Mistakes are a natural part of learning. The more I practice, the more confident I will become. The more I practice, the more confident I become. You guys are able to see there is a vehicle in the road. ও হাঁস বিক্রি হয়েছে আচ্ছা আচ্ছা The more I practice, the more confident I will become. I want to improve my pronunciation, vocabulary and speaking skills. My goal is to speak English clearly and confidently. I am not trying to be perfect, I am trying to improve. Sentence number 24. I will keep practicing until English becomes natural for me. Okay. I have to practice. Okay, I have to practice until English natural. Okay, as natural. Inshallah, I'll practice until that time. So Azan is going on. Just hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. Azan is going on. Okay,